Service in Mobile has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for South Central Escambia County in south central Alabama, northern Santa Rosa County in northwestern Florida, north central Escambia County in northwestern Florida, until 8:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 7:34 p.m. Central Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 12 miles east of East Bertrand to 5 miles northwest of Pollard, moving south at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-sized hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Bertham, Century, Flomaton, East Bertham, Jay, Pollard, and Riverview. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Continuous cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with these storms. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Torrential rainfall is occurring with these storms and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 8:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following county: Escambia, Alabama, and the following counties: in Florida, Escambia and Santa Rosa. This is NOAA Weather Radio from the Mobile, Pensacola